Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to stake Ethereum on Coinbase. Now there are a few steps to follow if you have your app open or your web version. The first thing to do is to open the app or your account, and then you need to make sure you have some ETH in your Coinbase account. Go to the staking page and look for the option to stake ETH. This is usually found at the navigation menu. And when you find the stake button, you will click on it and find the instructions to stake ETH. There is a maximum of 10,000 ETH. After you've selected the amount, you're going to wait for confirmation. Coinbase will review your request and confirm the transaction. Now, once the transaction has been completed, your ETH, according to the amount you had placed, will be staked and you can start earning staking rewards. These rewards will be automatically reinvested into your staking balance so you can keep track of your rewards from the initial amount and you will see the difference. So this is a step-by-step guide on how to stake Ethereum on Coinbase.